Dear students, today I am going to explain you voice part 4 and it is related to past simple tense. So in this you find the structure of the active voice. Active voice structure is subject plus V2 plus object. Okay, this is the normal structure in passive voice, in active voice, and in passive voice structure is this. Subjective case of object plus was or where plus V3 plus by plus objective case of subject. So you see one example I am giving. She taught me. Here you find this is an object and this is subject. This is V2. So when we are making it passive, then object subjective case. So Miss subjective case is I, and with I we use was, and then we have to use V3 according to the structure. So V3 of taught, V2 and V3 both are same. Teach, taught, taught. So I was taught by, and C subject, its subjective case is her. So by her. So this became the passive voice of affirmative sentences. This is affirmative sentence. Okay. Second type of sentence I say I take a yes no question. In active sentences, did he see you? Did he see you? Okay. Question mark. Now it's passive if we are making. Here you is the object. Then its subjective case will be you only. And with you we are using where. So where you, and C is your V1, its V3 will be seen. So where you seen by him. He is the subject and its objective case is him. So where you seen by him. Now another question I take. Did we buy a kg of oranges? This is active. Now it's passive we are making. So yeah, a kg of oranges. This is the object. So with it we will use was a kg of oranges. Bought by is V1 and its V3 is bought. So was a kg of oranges bought by us. Us is the objective case of we. We is the subjective case. Now third is WH question. So in this you see we are writing why did he abuse you? So it's passive we have to make. So this WH word we have to write, and after that was or where we will use according to the subject. So here object is you and its subjective case will be you only, and with you we are using where. So why, where, you, and abuse is V1, it's V3 abused. Abused by him. Him is objective case of he. So why were you abused by him? Another question I take. Who called me here. So in this case, you have to keep in mind in passive when we are converting who, then we are using by whom. Who is converted into passive as by whom. Here object is me, so your subjective case will be I. So by whom was I? And V3 is called. So by whom was I called here? Question mark. Another sentence I take. When did he buy? When did he buy a cow? So it's passive. You have to make. So here you find that a cow is the object. So its subjective case will be a cow only. And with a cow, we are using was. So when was a cow, and by V3 is bought. So when was a cow bought by him? Okay. Now one more sentence I take. How many children? How many children did we invite? How many children did we invite in the party? So it's passive, we have to make. So here how many children will remain same? So how many children were invited in the party by us? Because how many children, it is plural, that's why we have used here where. So how many children were invited in the party by us? Okay, thank you. In this way we are making passive voices of past simple, and next video I will discuss about other tenses. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.